Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe button and the bell button for future notifications. We have a support group through Facebook. You can search it under Wig Studio 1 Wig and Topper Support Group. Wig review is over Tressallure's Trina. And this piece has become my favorite piece. I have been wearing her and I'm in love. She is in English T HL. And the highlights are really just around the front, like their face framing. And then it doesn't have as much in the back. It's very subtle. Let's go over her cap. She is open wefted. She's extremely light and airy. She has an extended nape. I wore her last night, so she has tape on there. And she has Velcro adjusters, which I love. Covered ear tabs, and they're very thin. I can tuck her behind my ear. She has a lace front, and it's a good lace front too. Done really well. And then she has this left mono part, which it looks like scalp, but it can only part to the left. It's just such a shake and go kind of wig, and I've never really had one like this. I love her. And what I've been doing, this is how I've been wearing her. Tucked. And then it looks like mine. So you can make her sassy, you can make her big, and use some Peace Out cream and get this back side that's flippy. Or you could smooth her down and make It is done so well. And I did cut the lace because I was keeping her and she had just a little extra. She would be so cute with an off-the-shoulder top. I think she's just really versatile and light and cute. Okay guys, let's go over measurements. My head from the hairline to the tip of my chin is 8 inches. My neck is 4. So when I do the spin, you'll be able to see where these layers might fall on you. This piece is just so beautiful, and I think it would look gorgeous on so many ladies. Look at this color. Beautiful. Okay, let's go outside and look at her in natural lighting. Here she is in the sun. Isn't that gorgeous? All right, guys, I hope this helped. Like and subscribe.